Welcome, everyone, to the August edition of the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Newsletter. My name's John McNamara of Highball Advisors. So, a lot going on, all right? So, seems like tariff uncertainty, that's kind of getting settled. We just had a deal with Europe, Japan, a couple other countries are coming on board. So, that part of the variable, I guess, of the economy is starting to go away because businesses can start making decisions now knowing that 15% tariff is basically what everybody's settling on. So that's great. Then in the industry, holy mackerel, Union Pacific's merging with Norfolk Southern. That was announced. We'll see how that all plays out. I'm sure that's going to take a lot of time. I'm not sure that's just flicking the switch, so to speak. Then you're going to have other railroads thinking about mergers. So very, very exciting times. Rest of this year going probably on to the next couple of years, to be honest with you. So we'll see what happens there. This month have a good video on how will the One Big Beautiful Bill Act affect your railroad retirement, specifically the Social Security feature. Check out that video. That's done really well. Important to understand how that really comes into play on your railroad retirement. The Mailbag, 35 years in and can't retire. The misunderstood side of railroad retirement. So that's really kind of explaining the rules around when you can officially retire from the railroad. So check out that video. Economic chart is historic cash on the sidelines. So here we are, markets making new highs, still a tremendous amount of cash on the sidelines. So that gives you a little room for pause there, right? All that money is still sitting there on the sidelines. So we'll see what happens in that over time as if the market continues to go up higher. And then finally, the checklist, should I consider doing a Roth conversion, right? So that's very important, especially as you retire. Maybe you put some money into those tax-deferred 401ks or IRAs. That money is going to get taxed. So maybe you want to start looking at Roth conversions. So check that out, especially with the One Big Beautiful Bill settling tax rates going forward. So anyway, railroaders, enjoy the last month of summer. Next time we'll talk to you, we'll be playing football, which will be great. So I'm looking forward to that. And until next month, everyone, please stay safe, stay on track, and take care. So long, everybody. Bye.